The roll strum is a really nice effect to add to your ukulele strumming. I'm going to show you two ways of how to use the roll. First with strumming, we'll do this doo-wop progression, and then I'm going to show you how to use fingerstyle. Please get your ukulele out and let's jam. This video goes out to Fred Zelders, a member of the Ukulele Zen community. Let me know in the comments below, what questions do you have about your playing? I'd love to answer them with videos like this. Let's go over the mechanics of how to do this with a strum. The roll is simply going through the strings just a little bit slower. Let's practice it right now. We'll play C slowly, A minor slowly, D minor, and G major. I'd recommend that if you use the index finger that you maybe touch your thumb to the pointer and then just drag the finger through the strings in such a way that it doesn't get stuck on the strings. You can always brush your shirt or brush your cheek to get in touch with that lightness of touch. Okay, so your connection is very light. Now check it out. You're going to pluck the fourth string and then roll through up to that top string and really make that top string pop. So it's fourth string, roll, top. Fourth string, roll, top string. Then we're going to fill in the rest with 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's strings 2, 3, 4. When you put this all together, it sounds like this. This is a sound you've heard in a lot of rhythm guitar playing. If you use the thumb, same game. Fourth string, roll, pick, pick, pick. Thumb, roll, pick, pick, pick. Now that we know the pattern, let's practice it and apply it to the doo-wop chord progression. Ready? 2, 3, let's jam. This is how you get that authentic 1950s style rhythm guitar. So many songs. Oh, Donna, oh, Donna, happiness is a warm gun. Use your thumb if you like. And you can, of course, make up your own lyrics so easily with this doo-wop pattern. I want to teach you how to play it with fingerstyle next. But before we do, if you're enjoying this, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps this channel out. And if you haven't already, hope you'll click the subscribe button. I have a ton of content waiting for you at this channel, Ukulele Zen. Jam tracks, printable song sheets, and bonus lessons are available for you as a member of the community. Click the links down below if you'd like to support this channel and get a whole bunch of cool perks for your playing. Really glad you're here. Let's keep on going. Now, to do the roll with fingerstyle, you're going to want to place thumb, index, middle, and ring on one string each. Okay, so thumb is on the fourth, index is on the third, middle's on the second, ring is on the first string. Start by plucking one at a time and just develop that independence of fingers. Alright, now this is something that I go over in great detail in my fingerstyle course, and if you want to explore that, there's a link in the video description down below. Once you get comfortable with this exercise, try picking up the pace a little bit. Takes a little time to get used to it, but pretty soon it just pops off like that. My tip to you would be to not tug on the string too much. Just keep it real light, swing the fingers through air. There just happens to be a string in the way. Alright, so just like the strum technique, it's a good idea to just reach out, move your fingers through the air, and ask yourself, well, what does that feel like? And then bring that same feeling to the strings. Those little moments of reminding ourselves of the lightness of touch really serve our playing well. Now, once you're comfortable with this, your ukulele starts to really sound like a harp. Right now I want to teach you this cool jazz introduction. and take you through these chords one at a time. The first one is C6. Now, to make friends with this chord, try playing what looks like a D7, okay? Your fingers are at the 4th string and 2nd string, and now move them up from the 2nd fret to the 3rd, to the 4th, to the 5th, and you're going to need a little bit of an angle in the hand right here, so you can drop your ring finger and your pinky on the 7th fret, 3rd string, and 1st string. This is a gorgeous jazz chord, and we're going to use the roll. Yeah. Now slide these 2 fingers down, and now you have a C diminished 7th chord. Now, 1st finger is right there at the 5th fret. Just pivot your way to a bar. And there's your D minor 7. And now let go, relax, and play this voicing of G7. Sounds just as good on any tuning. What this is an F7 shape that's been moved up 2 frets. 4th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret. All right, now one more time with the roll strum. 2, 3, nice and easy. Strum, I mean roll. Good. And just take a break and let's get reset. Ready? 5th fret, 7th fret. Let's practice again. 3, 4. Slide them down. Bar. Take a breath. Let go. Excellent, everyone. You can play these same chords down here. Same chords, different voicings. C major with the pinky. And there's your C diminished. And right here, leave that pinky up there. D minor 7. And now we got our G7. Isn't that gorgeous? So now you have 2 ways to play this jazz introduction. If you like jazz introductions, I've got a whole online course all about intros and outros. You can check it out at the link down below. But to get started, just master this first one. There's a printable, lesson notes for this whole lesson right at the link down below. If you enjoyed yourself, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know any questions you have about this and what other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Really appreciate you watching and making music today. I hope you and your family are doing well, and you have a wonderful day.